Okay, friends, let's continue exercise 8.3 under chapter 8, Introduction to Trigonometry. So this is question B. Evaluate. Okay, sine 18 degree divided by cos 72 degrees. So how do we go about solving this? Before we solve this, let me give you some trigonometric ratios. So these are very simple concepts and it's very easy. Just look at this. We have some relations. Just remember this. So sine 90 minus a or theta will always be cos a. Remember this. Okay, sine 90 minus a will be equals to cos a, and in the same way cos 90 minus a will be equals to sine a. Are you following me? Okay, so suppose we have something like sine 90 minus 18. So this will be simply cos 18, right? Okay, so this is one, and the other one is similarly 10 90 minus a equals to cot a, and cot 90 minus a equals to 10a, just the reverse. Okay, and then the last one is what are the values left? Sec 90 minus a equals to cosec a, and cosec 90 minus a equals to sec a. Okay, so these are very easy relations. These are so simple and so easy to remember. If we remember this 6 relation, we should be able to solve this exercise 8.3 with not much of a hurdle. So shall we begin the first question, that is number 1. Sine 18 degree divided by cos 72 degrees. So how do we solve this? It's very simple. You can keep the cos 72 as it is, and now what is 18? 18 is nothing but, you see, it will be 90 minus, if you subtract 72 from 90, it will give you 18, right? So this is something like the number 10 can be written as 90 minus 80, right? So in the same way, this 18 can be written as sine 90 minus 72. This is the only part where we have to understand how this 18 is becoming like this, that is the numbers within the bracket. Okay, so sine 18 can be written as sine 90 minus 72. Now from our relation, we know that this one, from this relation we will get the idea that this is nothing but cos 72, right? And then we have cos 72 again in the denominator. So what we do is we simply cancel it, and the answer is 1. So easy, right? This is so easy. Question 2. Similarly, tan 26 degree divided by cot 64 degree. So simple. Look, we'll do the same way. Tan 90 minus 64 divided by cot 64. Okay, so 26 is written as 90 minus 64. Now this whole thing will become cot 64 divided by cot 64. So that is 1. That is the answer. The third one, cos 48 degree minus sine 42 degree. I bet the answer for this will be 0 or something. We don't know. We'll have to see. Okay, so now let's substitute this and keep this sine 42 as it is. So this will be cos 90 minus 42 degrees minus sine 42 degrees. So this one will be sine 42 degree minus sine 42 degrees. So answer is 0. So easy, right? I feel bored. I'm already feeling bored. Give me some tough questions to solve. Minus sec 59. So again, let it be cosec 90 minus 59 minus sec 59. So this will be sec 59 degrees minus sec 59 degrees. So again, the answer is 0. Okay, so this is how we solve question 1. We can even go to question 2. Show that number 1, tan 48 degree, tan 23 degree, tan 42 degree, tan 67 degree equals to 1. Okay, so we can make it left hand side, right hand side, and then we should be able to solve this. So this should not be a difficult one. So suppose say left hand side, tan 48 degrees, tan 23 degrees, tan 42 degrees, tan 67 degrees. So if you look at this 1, 2, 3, 4, you will realize that this 48 and 42 together it makes 90, 23 and 67 together it makes 90. So what we would do here is we just leave this 2 as it is and we convert these 2. Okay, so tan 48 can be written as tan 90 minus 42, right? This one, and this one can be written as tan 90 minus 67. Okay, and the remaining 2, let's leave it as it is, tan 67. Okay, so this one will become cot 42 degrees. This is becoming cot 67 degrees, then 42 degree, then 67 degree. Okay, so one relation that we should know is that, you know, the relation of tan and cot is inverse, such that, you know, tan A will always be equals to 1 by cot A, and then similarly cot A will be equals to 1 by tan A. So this cot 42 we can write it 1 by tan 42. This cot 67 you can write 1 by tan 67 degrees into tan 42 degree into tan 67 degrees, right? So we can cancel this, and then left hand side is 1, right hand side equals to what was the right hand side? Right hand side was, just simply write equals to 1, therefore left hand side equals to right hand side. Okay, so that is question 1. Let's do the question 2. Left hand side, I'll simply start writing the left hand side directly. Cos 38 degrees cos 52 degree minus sine 38 degree sine 52 degree. Just right here, right hand side is equals to 0. Okay, so replace this will be cos 90 minus, I'm sure there's a corresponding number. Okay, this is the one. This is 52, it will be 52, right? 52. Okay, so this is becoming sine 52, and if we now what we would do is simply we will simplify the given problem by we have done it like this. Now the value of cos 52, what do we do with this? We will write it as cos 90 minus 38, correct? Right? Okay, minus sine 38 sine 52. Now what will happen? Watch, this will become sine 52, this will become sine 38. So you can cancel this, and this is 0 equals to right hand side. Okay, so the questions here are fairly simple and easy, and I believe you don't have any problems for this. So these are question, I've solved question B1. Under question 1 we have 4 questions, and we've solved this, and we'll solve the remaining in the next video. So this should not be a problem. Okay, thank you.